We were looking into a more technological solution than mechanical handles, because we were having problems with lost keys, or when there were several people staying in the same mobile home. We asked TESA Hotel to find a more flexible solution, so we could give access to all the guests and at the same time to be able to encode the badges as we wished, as well as to cancel them if they got lost to avoid having to break any mechanical cylinders.
The installation of TESA Hotel smart locks really helped us at reception. We used to give each family a single key. Now we give each family member a bracelet with a badge, which means that they all have access to the mobile home whenever they want. With TESA Hotel, you can see the battery level in real time and ask the technical service to change it before the lock disconnects. You can also see who has gone into the mobile home and who has used the locks. Everything is connected via the TESA Hotel software.
The installation went very well. For the first year, we decided to install 40 knob cylinders at our new Florida campsite. The installation went well and it was very quick. The advantage of TESA Hotel locks is that they adapt to all types of doors, either with mechanical cylinders or with more traditional locks. The test was decisive and all the fittings adapted very well to the product. We made some adaptations to deal with some particular needs we have, and then we rolled out TESA Hotel smart locks over the following 2 years in our 3 campsites and for all of our mobile homes. It's also useful to be able to control staff members' access. The levels of access to accommodation can be different for each service team, so thanks to TESA Hotel smart locks, you can personalize access and give staff members multiple access. This has made our lives a lot easier in terms of key management. No more mechanical cylinders to change, and great flexibility in the number of keys you can hand over to any number of families.